Well, hello shell buddies, and welcome back again to the channel. This is just a quick update to let you know the shelling at Lido was great today. Really awesome. We found such cool stuff. Now, we went to two places on Lido today. We didn't just stop at one. We went first to Lido Key South Beach, which is where we've been going all the time, where John found his J, where we've had all kinds of fun so far since this winter. And then we stopped at Lido North, which was a really pleasant surprise. Now, I won't say where we found what, but we did find piles in both places. We came up today with conchs, and that's fighting and horse conchs, and cones, multiples, both of us, chestnut turbans, loads of whelks, apple murexes, moon snails, all kinds of really great stuff. So just to let you know, Lido Key shelling is fantastic. Get out there for early morning low tide and you won't be disappointed. And not only did both these locations give us a different feel and vibe, they both produced quite nicely for us, so they're each going to be their own separate video. When heading to South Lido Key Beach, you're going to go all the way past Ted Sperling Park, and all the way down to where Sarasota Sands is, and park on the for the best shelling, you're going to want to park over by the Gulf side and go straight out to the beach from there. Now, the piles that were up by the rocks have been scattered all over the place, but there is all kinds of stuff that was getting pushed in with the waves when we were there this morning. And as you make your way down to the point, there's a number of rack lines where there was a lot of really cool stuff. We found some pretty neat stuff out there today. For Lido North, when you're coming, you can kind of come off of the traffic circle. Instead of following around, you sort of just stay along right there where the road curves. And there's parking on both sides of the road, and there's this little lot that sort of sifts off here to your right-hand side. There's a couple of handicap spots there, a ramp to get over, and a place to rinse your feet off and stuff like that. That's where we parked, and we went straight out from there. And oh my goodness, I mean, we went straight from where we came on into the water and just started finding all kinds of really cool stuff. Now, this was just really fun today because both locations at Lido just gave us really awesome shelling and just like a different shelling experience at each place. And it was a pleasant surprise to see things brought back in again and in such a really neat variety. Just a great smattering of all kinds of different stuff. So, what kind of goodies did we find while we were out there? Let's take a little sneak peek at a couple of the fun grabs from this morning. I think I saw a murex. I hope it comes back. No, not a murex, a tulip. Awesome. That's a sweet little tulip right there. Oh, look, there's a chestnut turban. Hey, that's really nice. That's a nice little turban. And there's a moon snail. Awesome. Look at that guy. Oh, that's a nice turkey right in front of me. Hey, buddy, look at you. Wow. Beauty. Look at this little baby whelk. All right. So even 3 days after our storm, which was on Thursday, we had Friday for things still being really choppy, Saturday for things to calm down a little, and today conditions were beautiful out there early in the morning. Not a lot of real big heavy surf or anything like that. It was the water temperature is pleasant, the air temperature is pleasant, and there's plenty of shells to be had out on Lido Key. So get out there and go shelling.